we could still see some of the remnants. Let's get to Hannah Sky to find out what we can expect here and when. Hannah.
Thank you, Latrice. And let's hold that live camera real quick. That's actually a live look from Port Arthur, Texas right there, where Arthur is actually bringing some of that rainfall. Now, fortunately, it looks like Arthur has kind of moved off the coast just a little bit. So right now, just off of Houston and Port, Texas, they are getting a few of those bands, but it's not extremely heavy rainfall. As of right now, at least, you saw from that live camera, not looking too heavy, but we got that low pressure system where we got some heavy rainfall just off of the coast of Texas, right to the south of New Orleans and just a little to the east of Houston. Going to bring heavy rainfall as it works its way back inland. Currently, we got 45-mile-per-hour winds. So just over the last half hour, Arthur has strengthened just a little bit. It's moving northeast at 9 miles per hour. And you can notice that that pressure has also increased as well. We went from around 1,001 millibars down to 999. So slowly increasing just a little bit as it makes its way into those warm waters. Now, Arthur is forecast to work its way inland. As it does, it'll start falling apart. It'll become a depression by Wednesday. Winds are going to start dying down, but it's still going to bring some heavy rainfall. You got to remember, it doesn't have to be a tropical storm or hurricane to bring some really heavy rainfall across the area. The cone of uncertainty has that low pressure system moving to the northeast, and it's slowly going to move its way into our area, but it's going to be very broken apart. The issue is we're going to have a stationary front meeting it, so any type of heavy rainfall that does work into our area in your Thursday to Friday time frame could bring us some heavier rainfall and maybe even a low-end risk for flash flooding. Now, so far the models have that heaviest rain a little farther down to the south, so kind of towards mid-Alabama and mid-Georgia, which is good for us, but again, heavy rainfall and the potential for life-threatening flash flooding anywhere from Texas to Louisiana, Mississippi. We're also watching what could kind of occur if that low pressure system moves up or down a little bit. High pressure is going to take control leading into your Saturday, so we're going to be a little on the drier side. Cold front will move in, less tropical feel to it, but I can't rule out a few little scattered showers and thunderstorms here and there on your Saturday, but that chance is a lot lower. On Sunday, Father's Day, we could see some more of that active weather moving back in. This won't be tropical, but we could have some more of that rainfall moving into our area, which is going to increase those rainfall totals. Here is a look at the excessive rainfall outlook for tomorrow. So we have the heaviest rain farther down to the south, but our neck of the woods has been outlined in a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for excessive rainfall. Again, this really depends where that low pressure system is going to set up. We're also watching the possibility of some gusty winds. That risk is on the lower side, but just some things to keep in mind. But as you'll note, I've been talking about how heaviest rain staying farther to the south. Models have some of that heavier rain. Again, not really in our area, but we could still pick up anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches, maybe 1 3/4 of that rainfall here. We'll be watching to see whether that low pressure system is going to warble up and down a little bit, and that's really going to dictate how much rain we see leading into your Thursday. So expect wet conditions tomorrow. It's going to feel tropical, hot, humid, and muggy as the remnants of Arthur work our way. Back to you.